Modi, 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 Modi. We want Modi, Modi. Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, Prime Minister for others, but God for Indian physiotherapy doctors. Love you, Modi ji. Actually, yesterday the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare Department, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare Department, they are approved physiotherapist can use prefix doctor and suffix pt. After the long debate, after 60 years, physiotherapist we got prefix doctor in front of their name, prefix doctor dr. So thanks to Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji. Modi, Modi, we want Modi, we want Modi. Love you, Modi ji. All the states of Indian physiotherapy doctors loves Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, because yesterday Ministry of Health and Family Welfare Department, they are approved a NCAHP Act physiotherapy curriculum. The NEET exam, the National Eligibility Entrance Test, also included for physiotherapy professional. So this is the happiest moment for physiotherapist. So I want to say something. Yesterday, the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare Department approved a physiotherapy curriculum, NCAHP Act physiotherapy curriculum. NCAHP Act means National Commission for Allied and Healthcare Professional Council. This council enacted by Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, heads of Narendra Modi ji. Love you, Narendra Modi ji. We want Modi, we want Modi, we want Modi. Bharat Mata ki jai. Bharat Mata ki jai. Jai Narendra Modi ji. Love you, Narendra Modi ji. So, by full efforts of Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, we got a national level government council named as NCAHP Act. So the NCAHP Act allowed physiotherapist can use prefix dr, doctor, and suffix pt. So one nation, one curriculum. So all over the India, all the states of physiotherapist having the same rules and regulation. Actually, one India, one syllabus. This syllabus for all the states of India. These prefix doctor recognition all the states of India. So after the long debate, we got council. Lots of the Prime Minister, they are not doing anything for physiotherapy professional. But when the Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji become Prime Minister of India, he enacted a NCAHP Act. Now NEET exam. Actually, the NEET exam, National Eligibility Entrance Test, that's also must for physiotherapy professional. That will increase to physiotherapy professional status. So we are all happy with Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji. Then our NCAHP Act, central government allowed physiotherapist can use injection therapy. Can use injection therapy for some pain cases. Again I said some pain cases, because the Bangladesh, the UK, the London, Bangladesh, even neighbor country Pakistan also, they are allowed to physiotherapist using some injection therapy for some patients. So now the India also approved. Now the Indian physiotherapist also equal to London physiotherapist. So everything happened by Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji. So again I want to say something. We are struggled after 60 years we got a council. Last 60 years we are struggled prefix doctor matter and professional status matter. We are struggled a lot of things, but the Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji full efforts only, now we got a recognition. So that's why we are all loves here Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji. Jai Narendra Modi ji. So the national level council, again I said National Commission for Allied and Healthcare Professional Council. This council national level chairperson is Dr. Yagna Sugla, MPT, PhD. Dr. Yagna Sugla, she is a physiotherapist. Okay, so we are all happy when the Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, Chief Minister of the Gujarat state, that time physiotherapists are getting Gujarat State Physiotherapy Council. That Physiotherapy Council, Gujarat State Physiotherapy Council allowed physiotherapist can use prefix dr like that. So we are all very happy with Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji. We love Narendra Modi ji. So love you Modi ji, love you Modi ji, love you Modi ji. All the states of Indian physiotherapists, they are never forget your name in their total lifetime. Love you Modi ji. India Zindabad, Hindustan Zindabad. We want Modi, we want Modi, we want Modi, Jai Narendra Modi ji. So again I want to say something. Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, Prime Minister for others, but God for Indian physiotherapy doctors. I want to say something. The Indian Medical Association, they want to suppress and they want to depress a physiotherapy profession in India. So some war between physiotherapy doctors and allopathy doctors. Allopathy doctor means MBBS professional. So both the department are having some fight regarding prefix doctor matter and independent products matter. So we are struggling. Indian Medical Association, they are having more power in health department because of the highest officials. The health department highest officials are Indian Medical Association people. So the war between allopathy doctors and physiotherapists. The Mahabharata war between allopathy doctors and physiotherapy doctors. Mahabharata means the Pandyas means physiotherapists. Kauravas means allopathy doctors. Kauravas, they are having more number of people. They are having more strength. But Pandavas having less number of people. So the fight between Pandavas and Kauravas, finally the truth will prevail. Actually again I said, the Kauravas having more power, more manpower, but the Pandavas having less manpower, but Pandavas having truth. Finally the truth will prevail because the Lord of Krishna, he guided Arjuna. That means he guided Pandavas. Then only in the Mahabharata war the Pandavas will be winned. So Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, his guidance only physiotherapist we are getting a national level council. So that's why we are celebrating Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji is God for Indian physiotherapy doctors. Now physiotherapist legally, again I want to say something. One syllabus, this physiotherapy syllabus for all the states of India. Actually all over the India, NEET exams would be must. So the physiotherapy syllabus, same study syllabus, professional status and prefix doctor matter, everything same. So one India, one syllabus. So everything by Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji. Thanks to our NCHP Act Chairperson Dr. Yagna Sugla ma'am. Then thanks to our Tamil Nadu Chief Minister M.K. Stalin sir and Deputy CM Udayanidhi Stalin sir. Because of they are also given respect to physiotherapists, and they are adding physiotherapists to Makkalai Thedi Maruthuvam. So they are given more opportunity. So our special thanks to our Chief Minister M.K. Stalin sir and our Deputy CM Udayanidhi Stalin sir. So we are all proud moment. We are happy. Everything by Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji. Finally, Modi, we love Modi, we want Modi. Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji is the permanent Prime Minister of the India. Thank you.